Welcome to English Take Channel.
Okay, picture this. You walk into an elevator, the doors close. It's just you and a stranger. It's quiet, really quiet. You can hear them breathing. They look at you look at them, and your brain just goes blank. You want to say something, anything, but the words don't come. The longest 15 seconds of your life. Sound familiar?
Oh, that sounds so familiar. I think everyone has been in that situation.
Well, guess what? Today, we are going to fix that. Welcome, welcome, welcome to Speaking English Official. I'm Sophia, and I am so happy you're here with us today.
And I'm Alex. Hello to all of our beautiful listeners around the world. Whether you're tuning in from Tokyo, Sao Paulo, Istanbul, Cairo, or anywhere in between, we are so glad you pressed play today. Seriously, thank you.
You made a great choice. Now, let's get into it.
So, Sophia, what are we talking about today?
Today's topic is, drumroll please, how to make small talk in English. We're talking about those short, casual, everyday conversations you have in elevators, on the bus, in waiting rooms, those little moments with strangers or people you don't know very well.
Oh, I love this topic. You know why? Because small talk is one of those things that seems so simple, right? Native speakers do it without even thinking. But for English learners, it can feel really, really scary.
It really can. And honestly, that's completely normal. But here's the thing. Small talk is like a superpower. It helps you make friends, feel more confident, and just connect with people. Even a 10-second conversation can totally change your day.
Exactly. And the best part? You don't need complicated grammar. You don't need big vocabulary. You just need a few simple phrases and a little bit of courage.
And that's exactly what we're giving you today. So stay with us. Don't skip ahead.
Okay, so Sophia, can I share a quick story?
Oh, please do.
So, a few years ago, I was sitting in a doctor's waiting room, and there was this older woman sitting next to me. We were both just sitting there, silence. And then she looked out the window and said, "Beautiful day, isn't it?" And I said, "Yeah, it really is." And that was it. That was the start. We ended up talking for like 20 minutes about the weather, about her grandchildren, about her garden. She even gave me a recipe for banana bread, all because of one tiny comment about the weather.
Wait, did you actually make the banana bread?
I did, and it was delicious, by the way.
I love that story. Okay, my turn. So I was on a bus once, and I was wearing this bright yellow jacket, like very yellow. And the person next to me just looked at me and said, "Wow, I love your jacket. That color is so cheerful." And you know what? That tiny compliment made my entire day. We started chatting, and we actually talked until my stop came. It was only like 5 minutes, but it felt so nice.
See? That's the magic of small talk. It doesn't have to be deep or long. It just has to be real.
Exactly. Right. So now let's show our listeners what small talk actually sounds like. Okay, everyone, imagine this. Alex and I are in an elevator together. We don't know each other. Ready, Alex?
Ready. Let's do it.
Oh, wow. It's really cold outside today, isn't it?
It really is. I think it might even snow later.
Snow? Oh, no. I didn't bring my warm coat.
Yeah, me neither. I was not ready for this weather.
Right? Do you work in this building?
Yeah, I'm on the 5th floor. How about you?
3rd floor. I just started here last week, actually.
Oh, welcome. You'll love it here. The coffee shop on the 1st floor is amazing, by the way.
Oh, good to know. I definitely need coffee today. Well, this is my floor. Nice talking to you.
You too. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too. Bye. And scene. See how easy that was?
Notice we talked about 3 simple things: the weather, work, and the recommendation, the coffee shop. That's it. No complicated words, no pressure, just friendly, natural conversation.
All right, now here are our 3 golden tips for making small talk like a pro. Tip number 1, start with what's around you. Look around. Comment on the weather, the place, or something you can both see. Something like, "It's really busy in here today, isn't it?"
Love that.
Tip number 2. Ask simple follow-up questions. If someone says, I love this weather, you can say, yeah, me too. Do you spend a lot of time outside? Keep the conversation going with easy questions.
Great one. And tip number 3, and this is so important, smile and use friendly body language. Even before you say a word, a warm smile tells the other person, hey, I'm friendly. It's okay to talk to me.
And remember, it's okay if the conversation is short. Even 30 seconds of small talk is a win.
Okay, beautiful learners, now it's time for our vocabulary recap. We're going to review some key words and phrases from today's episode, and then you're going to practice with us out loud.
Yes, don't be shy. Say it out loud even if you're on the bus right now. That could actually be your small talk practice.
I love that. Okay, let's go. Word number 1, small talk. Small talk means a casual, light, friendly conversation, usually about simple topics. For example, I'm not very good at small talk, but I'm practicing. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. I'm getting better at small talk.
Great job. Word number 2, break the ice. This means to start a conversation and make people feel comfortable. For example, a compliment is a great way to break the ice. Repeat after me. I used a joke to break the ice.
Wonderful. You sound amazing. Word number 3, bring up. This means to start talking about a topic. For example, she brought up the weather to start a conversation. Repeat after me. I brought up the weather and we started talking.
Nicely done. Number 4, chat. Chat means to talk in a friendly and formal way. For example, we chatted for a few minutes at the bus stop. Repeat after me. We had a nice chat this morning.
Beautiful. Number 5, hit it off. This means to quickly become friendly with someone new. For example, we really hit it off at the party. Repeat after me. We hit it off right away.
Yes, you nailed it. Number 6. By the way, we use this phrase to add something new or change the topic casually. Like, by the way, I love your jacket. Repeat after me. By the way, have you been to that new coffee shop?
Perfect. One more. Number 7. Nice talking to you. This is a polite way to end a small talk conversation. For example, well, this is my stop. Nice talking to you. Repeat after me. It was nice talking to you.
Fantastic work, everyone. Seriously, give yourself a pat on the back.
Okay, before we go, we have a question for you. Here it is. Where do you usually make small talk? Is it on the bus, at work, at a coffee shop? Tell us in the YouTube comments below. We read every single one and we love hearing from you.
Yes, please share. And if you have a funny or interesting small talk story, we want to hear it. Maybe we'll even share it in a future episode.
And hey, if you tried to make small talk today and it didn't go perfectly, that's okay. That's more than okay. That means you were brave enough to try. And trying is everything.
Keep practicing. Keep showing up. Keep pressing play on this podcast. You are doing amazing things just by being here and learning every single day.
Don't forget to subscribe to Speaking English Official so you never miss an episode. Hit that like button, share this with a friend who's learning English, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye, everyone. Take care of yourselves.
Bye-bye. Keep talking, keep smiling, and keep making small talk. See you next time.